Hello my whoop friends. Maybe I should stay with whoops. Dang it. Big damage here on my new FPV airplane. But I think I can repair it, and I will, because it was great fun. I did not expect so much fun from this project. Here is the little FPV camera. Here powered with a 1S lipo. I changed the motor from 3000 kV to 3600 kV, and it was great fun. But you should not fly far away with those little UMX airplanes from Horizon Hobby. I flew about 50 meters away and lost signal, so the range is not very good on these little airplanes, but it was great fun, as you can see in the DVR footage.
Sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Look my friends, everything is glued back together. I mean, you can see the damage, but it's not too bad in my opinion. And the most important part is it should fly like before the crash. So it's time for some more flights with this little FPV RC plane. Let's go!
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Now to the conclusion of this little FPV project. To be honest, I did not expect so much fun out of this project. I think it was mainly because of the camera perspective with some parts of the airplane in view. It was very immersive. I do have other FPV planes like this UMX Radian with another camera perspective without parts of the airplane in view, and I have to say this is much less immersive. The second part was for sure that this airplane is capable of some mild aerobatics. The rudder throws are all maxed out. And I've changed the motor from a motor with 3000 kV to a motor with 3600 kV. This is why this airplane is now capable of some mild aerobatics. Now to the cons of this project. It was not very convenient to use because you need of course the main battery, but also a bunch of small lipos for the FPV camera, which is not very convenient when the flight time is only 3 minutes and 20 seconds and you need to change 2 batteries after every 3.5 minutes. That's not very nice and convenient. So this setup is not perfect and is not for everyday use. This, for example, would be a much better solution for everyday use. It is a camera which is capable of 2S voltage and it is with an integrated OSD, which is also very handy and important. And I think for me this airplane here would be a much better solution because it is capable of more aerobatics, it is a little bit more agile, and it is lighter, more powerful. For some pure aerobatic planes like these, or this one here, or maybe a UMX Timber X, or even better, a bigger airplane with a little bit longer flight time. But I don't have bigger airplanes, so for me this is the only option. But for you it's maybe better with a bigger airplane, and then you can fly for maybe 5-6 minutes, which is much better and much more immersive. So in the end I think it is a good start into FPV with RC planes or RC plane aerobatics with FPV. But if you really want to dig into this topic, then I think it is better with a little bit bigger airplane with more flight time. And also because bigger airplanes do have a full-size receiver in it with much better reception, much better radio link range. Wish you good luck with your own project and happy flying, my friends. Please note the video description with additional infos to this project.